Now exercise 3.2 NCERT question number first. From the pair of linear equation in following problems and find their solution graphically. So first we have to make the linear equation. So question number first part. 10 students of class 10th took part in mathematics quiz. If number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So let the number of boys equals to x and the number of girls equals to y. Now total 10 students participate in the mathematics quiz. So as per given conditions x plus y is equals to 10. This is the equation first, and second, number of girls are 4 more than number of boys. So here number of girls we suppose y. So y will be equals to x plus 4. So we can write this minus of x plus y is equals to 4. This is equation number second. So in this way, first let the number of boys participate are x and number of girls participate are y. In the quiz of mathematics from class 10, total student participate 10. So number of boys plus girls will be equals to 10. This is your first linear equation. And second, what condition given? Number of girls are 4 more than number of boys. So if 4 girls are added to number of boys, then these will be equal. So y is equals to x plus 4. Now if we took x in left side, then minus x plus y is equals to 4. These are the two equations. Now so the pair of linear equation. So the pair of linear equations are x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0, let A, and minus of x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0, let B. Here by simple observation, A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2. What is A1? A1 is the coefficient of x in first equation, B1 is the coefficient of y in first equation, and C1 is constant in first equation. So here A1 is equals to 1 and A2 is minus 1 not equals to B1 upon 1. So 1 upon minus 1 not equals to 1 upon 1. So the system is consistent and have unique solution. So the system is consistent and have unique solution. Now we have to solve this equation graphically. So first, solution of first equation, x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. So make table and find the solution set for this equation. So let us suppose this is x and y. If we put here y is equals to, we can take this as x is equals to minus of y plus of 10. So if we put y is equals to, here y is negative and plus 10, this is equals to x. So to find the solution set, first we will take such a point for the x and y so that we can easily plot on the graph paper. So let us suppose y is equals to 5. If we put y is equals to 5, then x will be equals to minus 5 plus 10. So x will be equals to plus 5. So if y is equals to 5, then x will be also 5. If y is equals to, let us suppose 4, then minus 4 plus 10, this will be equals to, so x will be equals to 6. So this type, one more point we can take. Let x is equals to 6. Let us suppose x is equals to, sorry, y is equals to 6, then minus 6 plus 10. So if y is equals to 6, then x will be equals to 4. So this type, at least 3 points we can take for the solution of first equation, x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. Similarly, we will find the solution for second equation. So now solution of equation minus x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. So first we will express either x in term of y or y in term of x. So here y can be written as y is equals to x plus of 4. So make a table for x and y, and at least we have to take 3 solution sets. So let us suppose this is x and this is y. So if we put x is equals to here, let us suppose x is equals to 2, then y will be equals to 6. If we put x is equals to minus 2, then y will be equals to plus 2, and if we put x is equals to minus 3, then y will be equals to minus 3 plus 4, 1. So these are the solution set for equation minus x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. We are not putting one by one here. You can solve observably, because this type graphical representation of linear equation in 2 variable we did in class 9th. Now on graph paper, what you have to take for graphical solution? Take the graph paper, take appropriate scale on graph paper. So to represent these solution set on graph paper, we will draw this type. Let this is the x-axis, xo, x dash, and let this is yo, y dash. On x-axis, axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and on y-axis also 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. This type scale you have to take first. Now see the equation first solution are given when x is equals to 5, y is also 5. So on x-axis, let us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on y-axis also 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will be your common point 5, 5 on graph paper. Let us suppose any point represented by vertex A. Then second point is 6, 4. So on x-axis this is 6 and this is 4. So this type we can take 6, 4. Let us suppose this is point B. Then one more point on x-axis it is 4 and on y-axis it is 6. So let us suppose this is the 6, 4, 6. Now freehand you can join these 3 points. So you will get one line, that is x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. So this is the graphical representation of linear equation x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. Now similarly we will draw the graph for second equation, and we have taken the solution set this way. So first, to draw the graph of second equation, first solution set is 6, 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 2. 6 x on x-axis. This is 6 and y-axis 2. So 6, 2. So this is 6, 1 and 2. This is the 6, 2. Second point is when y is 2, no, 6, x is 6, x is 6, then somewhere we did wrong. What we have did, बाई पुटिंग यहाँ अपन ने x इज इक्वल्स टू, जब अपन ने 6 लिया, सो दीज आर द वैल्यूज आई थिंक वी रॉट रिवर्स ऑर्डर। y इज इक्वल्स टू आपका कितना था, x इज इक्वल्स टू जब आपका 2 था तब y इज इक्वल्स टू आपका 6 था। जब x इज इक्वल्स टू आपने -2 लिया तब y इज इक्वल्स टू आपका +2 था। एंड व्हेन x इज इक्वल्स टू आपने कितना लिया था, x इज इक्वल्स टू आपने 1 लिया था, सॉरी 1, देन y इज इक्वल्स टू आपका कितना होगा 5। x2 2 plus 4 6, when x is equals to -2 plus 4 plus 2, and when x is equals to 1 then y is equals to 5. Now plot when x is equals to 2 1 2, then y is equals to 6, y is equals to 6 means 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this will be the one point, that is 2,6. Then second, when x is equals to -2 -1 -2, then y is equals to 2 plus 2 1 and 2, this is, and when x is equals to 1, then y is equals to was, this is 1,5. So if we join these point free hands, then we will get this type equation which is representing minus of x plus y -4 is equals to 0. So this is the graphical representation of second equation, minus x plus y -4 is equals to 0. Now this common point will be 3,7. So how we will find out? We will draw a perpendicular from the point where these two lines are intersecting. So this will be 3,7, because on x-axis 1 2 3 and y-axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So the by observation the common point or point of intersection is, let p 3,7. So this is the solution. Now to check that it is the correct solution or not, so we will put in both the equation. So for check first equation is x plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. So put x is equals to 3, y is equals to 7. So 3 plus 7 minus 10 is equals to 0. So 0 is equals to 0. Similarly, second equation is your minus x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. So minus of 3 plus of 7 minus 4 is equals to 0. Minus 3 and minus 4 minus 7 plus 7 is equals to 0. So this type we can check the solution. So please pause the video and note down. Now second question. Question number second, part of was 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen together cost 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that 1 pen. So let the cost of 1 pencil, let the cost of 1 pencil be rupees x, and let the cost of 1 pen be rupees y. So as per given condition, What is the condition? 5 pen and 7 pencil. 5 pencil and 7 pen. That is 5x plus 7y is equals to rupees 50. This is, let us suppose, first equation, and second 7 pencil, that is 7x plus 5y is equals to rupees 46. This is the equation number second. So now to solve this equation first on adding equations फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, अगर मैं इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड को सिंपल ऐड करता हूं फॉर सिंप्लीफिकेशन, सो 5 प्लस 7 12x प्लस 12y इज इक्वल्स टू 96. In simplest form, on dividing by 12 on both sides, so x plus y is equals to 12 8 are 96. So x plus y is equals to 8. Let us suppose this is the equation number third. Similarly, on subtracting equation second from first, so 5x minus 7x minus of 2x, 7y minus 5y plus 2 of y, 50 minus 46, that is equals to 4. So on dividing by 2 on both sides, minus of x plus y is equals to 2. Let us suppose this is equation number 4. So the pair of linear equation, so the system of linear or pair of linear equations is first x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0, and second minus x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. So by simple observation here, a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2 implies that system is consistent and have unique solution. So by pair of system, in this way, if the system is a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, this type algebraic condition is holding, then system will consistent and have unique solution. So to find that unique solution, graphically first we will solve the equation number first and then equation number second, and then we will draw or plot the graph on graph paper. So first find at least 3 solution set for equation number first and draw the graph on graph paper, but very carefully you have to take the points. So the first equation, solution of first equation is x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0. Now here स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन होता है कि हम इसका सॉल्यूशन सेट कैसे निकालेंगे, बिकॉज 2 पॉइंट से भी आप सॉल्यूशन सेट निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन फॉर द करेक्ट आंसर एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड 3 सेट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, बिकॉज अगर 2 सॉल्यूशन सेट में से एक भी बाय मिस्टेक आपने गलत कर दिया तो ग्राफ पेपर तो आएगा बट दैट ग्राफ विल बी रॉन्ग. सो टू फाइंड 3 सेट एटलीस्ट सॉल्यूशन सेट के लिए सबसे पहले आपको एक टेबल बनाना है सिंपली. लेट अस सपोज दिस इज योर x एंड y, और बहुत ध्यान रखिए x और y की वैल्यू पुटअप करते हुए भी आपको ध्यान रखा कि जैसे हमने अभी बाई मिस्टेक गलत लिख दिया था तो हमें वहां पता चला जब अपन ग्राफ पेपर में ड्रॉ कर रहे थे. तो क्या करना है, जब सॉल्यूशन सेट निकालेंगे तो एटलीस्ट आपको 3 सॉल्यूशन सेट निकालना है, और सॉल्यूशन सेट जब निकाल रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले गिवन इक्वेशन में से x को इन टर्म ऑफ y और कांस्टेंट में एक्सप्रेस करें या y को इन टर्म ऑफ x एंड कांस्टेंट में. सो हियर यहां अपन लिख सकते हैं y इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ x प्लस ऑफ 8, और x और y के जो सॉल्यूशन सेट जब भी निकालते हैं कोशिश करें कि ग्राफ पेपर में x और y की जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है वो प्लस माइनस 6 से बिलो नहीं लेनी है. सो लेट अस सपोज x की वैल्यू अगर मैं यहां पर माइनस ऑफ 4 पुटअप करता हूं, x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 पुटअप करता हूं, x की जगह x इज 4, देन बिकॉज ये माइनस एक्स है तो x की जगह मैं 4 पुटअप करूंगा तो ये -4 + 8 दैट इज y विल बी इक्वल टू योर 4। तो x की वैल्यू 4 पुटअप करने पर y की वैल्यू भी आपकी कितनी आ रही है, 4 आ रही है। फिर x की जगह अगर लेट अस सपोज मैं 6 पुटअप करता हूं देन y विल बी इक्वल्स टू -6 + 8 so y will be equals to 2 when x is equals to 6 y is equals to 2 and third set let us suppose x is equals to 5 put up करता हूं then -5 + 8 if x is equals to 5 then y is equals to your 3 so this type we can take 3 set solution set for this equation. Now solution of second equation, solution of equation second -x + y -2 is equals to 0. So here y can be expressed as x + 2. So take again 3 set of solution. Let us suppose this is x and y. टेबल बनाना है। नाउ पुट अगर मैं x इक्वल्स टू 1 पुट अप करता हूं तो 1 के रेस्पेक्ट में y विल बी 3, x अगर 2 पुट अप करता हूं तो y विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2 + 2 4। अगर मैं लेट अस सपोज y इक्वल्स टू 6 पुट अप करता हूं तो 6 x इक्वल्स टू 6 देन 6 + 2 8 हो जाएगा। तो आपको छोटी वैल्यूज लेनी है। लेट अस सपोज x इक्वल्स टू 3 पुट अप करता हूं देन y विल बी योर इक्वल्स टू 5। इन दिस वे यू हैव टू टेक एटलीस्ट 3 सॉल्यूशन सेट, 1 सेट, second set and third set. Now we have to plot the graph for these two solutions. So one by one अपन क्या करेंगे? Let us suppose this is your graph paper. So center में this is x o x dash and this is y o y dash. x की पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज राइट हैंड साइड में, x की नेगेटिव वैल्यूज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, y की पॉजिटिव वैल्यू अबाउट डायरेक्शन एंड y की नेगेटिव वैल्यूज इन नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ओ y डेज पर। नाउ फॉर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन x is equals to 4 then y is equals to also 4. So graph paper 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 this is 4, 4 1 point. Then second जब x is equals to 6 है then y is equals to 2 है. So 1 2 this is your 6, 2. देन थर्ड इज जब x आपका 5 है तब y आपका कितना है, 3 है। दिस इज 5, 3. सो ऑन सिंपल बाय फ्री हैंड जॉइनिंग वी कैन फाइंड दिस टाइप इक्वेशन एंड राइट x + y -8 इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस इज द graphical representation of first equation. Now plot the graph for second equation. So second equation के लिए when x is equals to 1 y is equals to 3 x is equals to 1 y is equals to 3 1 2 3 this is 1, 3. Then when x is equals to 2 x to y is equals to 4 so 1 2 3 4 this is 2, 4. Then when x is equals to 3 then y is equals to 5. So maybe this is the common point. So 3, 5. In this way free hand अपन graph draw करेंगे तो we will get this type graphical representation and these two lines are intersecting at the point 3, 5. So the intersection point is let A 3, 5. And it is the solution of this pair of linear equation. Now to check it ki whether this solution is correct or not. So how we will check? First equation is your x + y -8 is equals to 0. So put x is equals to 3, y is equals to 5. So 3 + 5 -8 equals to 0. So this is satisfied. Similarly second equation -x + y -2 is equals to 0. So this will be -3 + 5 -2 will be equals to 0. -3 + 5 + 2 -2 is equals to 0 is equals to 0. So in this way we can draw the graph of a pair of linear equation and where the graph is intersecting then that point of intersection is your solution. Question number second. On comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So let the first pair of linear equation, first is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0, and second equation is 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. So this is the pair of linear equation and we have to check. So first let us put this is equation number first and equation number second. Now on comparing with the standard form what? Standard form of pair of linear equations. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Let us put this equation number 4 and 5. This is the standard form of pair of linear equation and this is the system of linear equation which is given. Now here a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2, 5 upon 7 is not equals to b1 upon b2. How? 5 upon 7 is not equals to minus 4 upon 6. So a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. So system is consistent and having unique solution while intersecting at one point. So as per the table I told you, when a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, then this is generally known as ratios of the coefficient. First we check, and if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, then the nature of system will be consistent, and graphically if we draw the lines of these two equations, then the lines will intersect each other. So by this condition, if a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, then graphically if we draw the graph of these two lines, then they will intersect each other, and if the lines are intersecting, then they will have only one solution, that is called unique solution, and the system will be known as consistent. So you have to learn 3 points. What is the ratio of the coefficient of given equation, and second, graphically representation, what type of possibilities will be there if the line will intersect each other. So this condition is showing the line will intersect. Agar line intersect karegi, they will have only one point of intersection, so that point will be known as unique solution and system will be consistent. So in this way we can check. Now let us take second question. Second question is, the system is given 9x plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0, and second 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equals to 0. So on comparing with the standard form, let us put equation number first. This is equation number second. On comparing with the standard form of pair of linear equations, this is pair of linear equation is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is the standard form of the pair of linear equation. Now on comparing A1 upon A2 is equals to your 9 upon 18. Then B1 upon B2 is your 3 upon 6. That is 9 upon 18 means 1 upon 2. This is also 1 upon 2. And then C1 upon C2 is your minus 12 upon 24. That is minus 1 upon 2. So implies that A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 not equals to C1 upon C2. So this is the ratio of the coefficient in the system of given linear equation. Now if A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 not equals to C1 upon C2, in this case the lines will parallel to each other. So the lines will parallel to each other. If we draw the graph of these two equations, then the lines will parallel to each other, and when the lines are parallel to each other, then nature of system होगा inconsistent. The nature of system will be inconsistent, and solution क्या होगा? When lines will be parallel, then there will be no solution. So no solution for the system. So these we have to learn by this condition. If the condition is A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 not equals to C1 upon C2, then the graphical representation line will be parallel. And if line will be parallel, then there till infinite they will never intersect each other. If they are never intersecting each other, means there will be no solution. So system will be inconsistent and there will be no solution. So in this way we can find the solution. Please pause the video and note down. Now third part of this question. सो द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, जब भी आपको सिस्टम को चेक करना है सबसे पहले आप कोएफिशिएंट निकालेंगे. कोएफिशिएंट में आपको याद रखना है A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2. The line will intersect, system will be consistent and have unique solution. If A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 not equals to C1 upon C2, then lines will parallel to each other, system will inconsistent and there will be no solution. And the third condition, if A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2, then line will coincide each other, and in this case system will have infinite many solutions. So let us see one more system is given. The system is third part of question number second. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0. Second equation 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0. This is equation number first and this is equation number second. So on comparing with the standard form of pair of linear equations in two variable, what is the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable? A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Let this equation number 3, and second a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Let equation number 4. This is the given system and this is the standard form of pair of linear equation. Now first what we have to find out? A1 upon A2. What is A1? Coefficient of x in first equation, A2 coefficient of x in second equation. So this is 6 upon 2, that is 3 upon 1. Similarly B1 upon B2, B1 is minus 3, B2 is your minus 1. So this is 3 upon 1. Then then third is C1 upon C2 is equals to 10 upon 9. So here implies that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. So if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2, that is 3 upon 1 is equals to 3 upon 1 not equals to 10 upon 9. So when a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2, then the lines will again, if we draw the graph of these two lines, then line will be in this situation. Let this is the graph of first equation and this is the graph of second equation. So lines will parallel, and if the lines are parallel, so the lines will parallel. If the lines are parallel, then system क्या होगा? फर्स्ट लाइन पैरेलल होगी, सिस्टम आपका इनकंसिस्टेंट होगा, एंड अगर लाइन पैरेलल है टिल इनफाइनाइट ऑन प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस लाइन विल नेवर इंटरसेक्ट, सो देयर विल बी नो सॉल्यूशन. There will be no solution. So in this way, if the pair of linear equations are given, then on comparing we can say that the system is consistent or inconsistent, having unique solution or no solution or many solutions. So please pause the video and note down. Now the question number 3. Question number 3, on comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the following pair of equation are consistent or inconsistent. So question number 3, first part, the system is 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. Direct we have to write in standard form. Second, 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. So let this the system, and on comparing here, simply if we have to find a1 upon a2, then a1 upon a2 will be equals to 3 upon 2, b1 upon b2 will be equals to 2 upon minus 3, and c1 upon c2 is your minus 5 upon minus 7, that is equals to 5 upon 7. Implies that a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, so the system will consistent and have unique solution. So only you have to write, अगर a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, then nature of system will be consistent, and algebraically if we draw the graph of these two lines, then line will intersect each other, और अगर line intersect करेगी then it will have a unique solution. So system consistent है, graphically lines will intersect at a unique point, so solution will be unique solution. So these three things you can write. Now let us suppose question number second part इसी का देखिए, second part 9x plus 3y 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0, and second is 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. This is the equation number first and second. Now simple compare first. a1 upon a2 is equals to 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. What is a1? Coefficient of x in first equation, and a2 coefficient of x in second equation. Now similarly b1 upon b2 will be equals to minus 3 upon minus 6, so minus minus plus again 1 by 2, and C1 upon C2 is minus 8 upon minus 9, that is 8 upon 9. So by simple observation, A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 not equals to C1 upon C2. This is the algebraic condition कि A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 not equals to C1 C2. So in these conditions, lines will parallel to each other. So lines will parallel to each other. अगर हम ग्राफिकल सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे या जब ग्राफ पेपर पर रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे के पैरेलल आएगी. अगर पैरेलल होगी देयर विल बी नो सॉल्यूशन एंड सिस्टम विल बी इनकंसिस्टेंट. सो नो सॉल्यूशन एंड सिस्टम कौन सा होगा? इनकंसिस्टेंट. Only one condition, when lines are parallel, then system will be inconsistent. So this is the question number 2. Let us see the question number 3. The third part of question number 3. Question को ध्यान से लिखिए. Third is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3 of y minus 7 is equals to 0. I am writing directly in standard form. Second one is 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equals to 0. So directly भी compare कर सकते हैं. Otherwise you can take the LCM. अगर LCM लेंगे तो 6 LCM आएगा. So आप first equation को कैसे लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे? By taking 6 LCM of denominator, 7 can be written as 7 upon 1. So 6. So 2 से divide करेंगे तो 3 3 जा, this will be 9x, this will be 10 of y, and this will be 6 7 जा minus of 42 is equals to 0. Let this is equation first and this is equation number 2. So here A1 upon A2 is equals to A1 upon A2 is equals to 9 upon 9, that is 1:1. Then B1 upon B2 is equals to 10 upon minus 10, that is 1 upon minus 1, and C1 upon C2 is your minus 42 upon minus 14, that is equals to 3:1. So by simple observation here, A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2 and not equals to also C1 upon C2. So if A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2, then line will intersect. So अगर हम ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे तो लाइन्स विल इंटरसेक्ट. लाइन विल इंटरसेक्ट. अगर लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी तो वहां केवल यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, एक ही सॉल्यूशन होगा, बिकॉज जहां पे भी लाइनें इंटरसेक्ट करेगी एक ही कॉमन पॉइंट होगा दोनों का. सो सॉल्यूशन कहलाएगा यूनिक सॉल्यूशन और सिस्टम होगा आपका कंसिस्टेंट. ठीक है. इन द केस ऑफ इंटरसेक्टिंग सिस्टम कंसिस्टेंट होता है, और इन द केस ऑफ व्हेन द लाइन कोइंसाइड, इन दैट केस आल्सो सिस्टम कंसिस्टेंट बट डिपेंडेंट होता है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Please pause the video and note down. Last one more question. थोड़ा फास्ट करते हैं. 4th part. The system is 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equals to 0. Minus of 10x plus of 6y plus 22 is equals to 0. I am writing in standard form. So compare A1 upon A2. Here A1 upon A2. पहली लाइन में x का कोएफिशिएंट A1 है, दूसरी लाइन में x का कोएफिशिएंट A2 है. So 5 upon minus 10, that is 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. Okay, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. Then B1 upon B2 is your minus 3 upon 6, that is 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, again minus 1 upon 2, and C1 upon C2 is your equals to minus 11 upon 22, that is 11 1 ja 11, 11, that is also minus 1 upon 2, implies that A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. When A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2, then line will coincide. Then lines will coincident, that is line एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप करेगी. अगर line will coincide, then there will be many solution. There will be many solution. So system will consistent and dependent. System will consistent and dependent and many solution. So this is the question number 4. Hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.